Konnichiwa, thank you. This is the inside of Koffee Mameya Kakeru.
日本語 English.
English, yes,
English,
yes.
okay. Konnichiwa. So, is this your first time here?
Yes. We went to
Omakaseでしたっけ?
Oh yeah, yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Great. So this is our main contents, coffee course Omakase. So we have 3 courses today. Seasonal special, signature, and cocktail course.
Very looks premium and welcome drink.
This is no coffee inside.
No,
No coffee.
no coffee. Yeah.
So but we got ingredient related coffee inside mocktail. Grapefruits.
Grapefruit. No sugar. No sugar.
No sugar.
Oh, but it's sweet.
Oh, this one was this.
Yes.
White flower.
Interesting. This one is cold brew?
Coffee, yes.
And
Oh,
this is usual.
Wash process is clear taste.
and this one, what is this?
This is this one.
Yes, yes.
Oh.
Warm soup. Please check the aroma first. This is wash process and this honey process.
Oh.
The 3/4. Thank you so much. And then total brew time is 2 minutes.
Oh, 2 minutes. Wow, okay.
Please check the aroma. This is wash process.
이거는 왜 빼는 거야?
응?
이거는 왜 이만큼씩 빼는 거야?
모르겠는데.
This is honey process.
Now we had a filter and then we're going to have a milk brew. Fuji Mountain water. Is it water from Fuji Mountain? Oh, Japanese. Yeah, oh, Japanese company. This is pork maple.
I think so.
This? It's pork.
This pork stew
어,
and this miso.
미소.
Oh,
The
워시 하니.
yes. The
washed
first
and honey.
miso
응.
on
Like a miso soup pork stew. Thank you.
Thank you.
With sweet curry.
Uh-huh.
So this is so similar like a cinnamon crumble and the pear and the fig tree infused cream.
위크림?
Yes,
Oh.
fig tree and infused.
Okay.
Yeah. And the taste like a very holiday.
어.
Yeah. So this one is a red wine, red grape flavor, and also slightly no alcohol gin.
어, no alcohol.
Yeah, no alcohol.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.